Hi, it's Rich from Motorcycle Guys. Yeah, back onto the Trophy 900 1996 again. Wiring at the moment. Got it basically riding now doing the signals, putting these in. Oops, sorry. Where's it gone? Somewhere anyway. There it is, the relay. Relay's there somewhere. I lost it now. Yeah, there's the relay. Took it down there. There's the relay. There's the relay. There's two green and something wires and a black wire for the relay. Main head beam, that one. So got the signals on. I've got to connect them up, and we've got these as green and black there. Also the black cable, it's got to be earthed all over the frame, so as this loom was replaced, as it were. I don't know, checking everything, but I've got to make sure that obviously everything's earthed, so I think as long as I make sure that the black cable is earthed somewhere, hopefully we can get it into action. The rear one's already on there. I'll just start it up because got it running quite nicely now, say that. Fuel gate's working. Sorted the pipe work out. Pipe for fuel. We've done that. It's running really well now. Battery out bracket. Radiator reserve. So there we go. Getting there, it's going to take some time to get it up to MOT. We're nearly there, but believe it or not, doesn't look it, but we are. Brakes are now very good. I completely overhauled them. Knew everything on the brakes, front and back. As I say, new loom. All lights work. That's good. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Thanks for watching.